I want to be strong one day. Like that kid who left. He went to the outside world. I know it's out there somewhere, the strength that I need.
Strength for what?
To protect the things that matter. Or like my friends.
My mind collapsed, but things too fast. Blurs all the colors till I can't see back. The last mistake, the choice I made. Staring in the mirror, myself to blame. Shooting down from the afraid of the thoughts inside. Nowhere to hide inside my mind. I'm scared that you'll compare, and I'll look a lifetime past replay. I second guess myself to death. I resist at every step. What if my words are meaningless? What if my heart was meaningless? I try to capture every moment as it comes to me. Bottle up my memories and let them keep me company. Until I get better, I'm terrified I'll be faking forever.